Hello class 5. So this is your another chapter 5, Introduction to MS Excel 2013. Microsoft MS Excel, learning about MS Excel, components of Excel, Windows worksheet and formatting a worksheet. So you have learned to work with MS Word, which is the word processing software of MS Office. You will now learn to work with MS Excel, which is another program of MS Office suite of applications. You can see in your screen the icon of Microsoft MS Excel. MS Excel is a spreadsheet software. A spreadsheet is a software tool that lets one store, analyze, and manipulate a set of numbers. In a spreadsheet, numeric or text data is entered into cells which form a table, and these data can then be manipulated and analyzed. So you can store your data, you can analyze your data, and also you can manipulate your data. So this is an introduction class of MS Excel. We will know more about MS Excel in your next class.